Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanna do a quick update here. So by the way, this is 12:43 a.m. Okay, this is in the morning. I'm very sleepy, but I wanna make this video very quickly. So if you notice, okay, both daily and 4-hour chart, it is in the oversold area, right? So if you wanna play safe, right? You can go to trade. By the way, you can see I already make $15 profit. You can see $15 profits, guys. You can see I was opening all short positions. So what you can do now, you can either stop this, okay, you can either stop it if you want to play really safe, or let's say, you know what, AD, I don't want to cut loss, I want a single run. Well, you can do that. It's really up to you, man. You manage your own risk, okay? So you must have your own risk management, whatever it is. If you really want to play safe, guy, you can directly stop it, so the bot will close your position inside Binance. So you can see here, this is position, or you can close position here too if you want to. It's floating 12 cents, not a big deal, okay? Or you can single round it. It's really up to you. So what would I do is I will wait the market go up here, and then I will open a short position again. Okay, so this is maybe 1, 2, or 3 days is waiting, guys. Okay, we are waiting. If you see, the daily is also near oversold area. Again, you might say, Eddie, what if the market go down like this? We lose profit, we lose the chance to make a lot of money. You are right, but you are also being greedy if you say that. If you want to follow the rules, if you want to be, again, hardcore to your discipline, right, you only open short when it goes back here, okay? If you want to be consistent. Again, people sometimes are greedy. They always say they think until it's proven wrong, and then they panic sell. Okay, they panic sell, panic close position, and everything goes to shit. You get liquidated, you lose a lot of money. Okay, but if you see weekly here, guys, the weekly is in the overbought area, right? It's in the overbought area. But again, if you want to play safe, go back to the lower time frame. You wait, okay? You wait this until here, okay? And then open short. If you don't open long, I think, again, as I mentioned in my previous video, if you know open long, because this is currently in the bear market, guys, it's very unsafe. It's not safe to open long right now. It's better for you to buy coin in the spot market. Is way safer, because you keep the coin. If you are playing futures, you get the risk of liquidation. But if you open a long position or you buy coin in the spot market, it's much safer. Keep things simple, because at the end of the day, simplicity and consistency and sticking to your discipline, to your rules, that's what works, okay? Again, if you haven't joined our Telegram group, guys, use the link down below. Shoot me an email. I will give you access to a free YouTube course, and I will also give you the link to our private Telegram group. It's not my group, it's other people's group, but I'm part of the group, okay? So maybe in the future, I don't know if I want to update this channel, because I have a lot of other YouTube channel to focus on, guys. This thing, I keep it simple. I only watch it at night before I go to bed. Okay, I look at the indicator. If indicator overbought, I will open short position, unless we back into the bull market, which is, I don't know when it's going to happen. Okay, the bull market, until we break this trend line, I'm still remain bearish.